my name is Yan. Welcome to Iane James Virtual Zone. And I help aspiring virtual assistant and small business owners thrive in digital space. And today we're going to talk about something super important and how are you going to make a pitch that makes clients say, yes, I want to work with you. So let's get started. So let's first define what is pitch. A pitch is just a message you send to a client to show them why you are the right person for the job. It's just like you're saying, hi, I'm Yan, I understand what you need, and I can help you. Here's how. And you don't need to write long, fancy message. All you have to do is just, you have to be clear, honest, and very helpful, and sounds like you are a reliable. And let me show you a three-part of a great BA pitch. So are you ready? Number one is, of course, you have to say hello and show that you understand. So you can start with a friendly hello and show them that you read their job posting correctly. You can say, hi Sarah. I saw about your post needing help with your customer's email. I understand how busy it can get, and I love to support you. So this shows you're kind and read the post. Second is you share your skills. So next thing is talk about what you can do. Example is I help past clients answer emails, organize inbox, and respond to customer quickly and politely. I am also great at using tools like Gmail, Slack, and Trello. So this shows that you have already an experience and skills. And even if you are new, mention that you have or you learn or practice it. Next is end with a call to action. So end your message by inviting them to reply. Like, if you like, I can send you a short video showing how I work, or we can chat anytime. I love to help your business grow. So this shows you are confident, polite, and ready to go. So here's a full example pitch combining three parts. Hi, Sarah. I saw your post about needing help with your customer's email. I understand how busy it can get, and I love to support you. I help past clients answers email, organize inboxes, and respond to customers quickly and politely. I'm also great at using Gmail, Slack, and Trello. And if you like, I can send you a short video showing how I work, or we can chat anytime. I love to help your business grow. Thank you so much. Yeah. So keep your message short, under like 150 words, and use the client's name if you know it, and be real. So don't copy paste the same message everywhere. And of course, end with kindness and confidence. And you can even make a short video page to stand out more. Thanks for hanging out with me today on Iane James Virtual Zone. So your dream client is out there, and with the right pitch, you can step closer to getting hired. Until next time, keep learning and keep showing up and believing in yourself. Bye for now.